What's up, everyone? Welcome back to MP Dog Gets. So I'm down here on the bike trail. This is Buffalo Bayou bike trail out here in the Energy Corridor in Houston. And I stopped at this bridge. I went here last night in the evening, and there's bass down here. I don't know if I got a picture. I need a better lens to zoom in, but there's bass sitting in here. If you can tell, there's brackish water. So I call it brackish because it's muddy water from the bayou, Buffalo Bayou, coming in from this creek, which is Turkey Creek. And this creek goes all the way to I-10 and all the way actually by my house. So I'm actually going to get down there under the bridge today. This is the next morning, so I'll show you what I did last night in the evening, and then we're going to explore this this creek up and down. We're going to explore Turkey Creek up and down because there's a lot of clay structures and rocks and clear water. So let's see what we can get. All right, let's do it. All right, I tied on a little white minnow because it's getting a little darker. It'll be easier for him to swallow too. Let's see if I can catch one of those bass over here. Wow, that was a big gar that jumped over there. Ooh, bass got it. Got one. Got one. Look at it. There he's running. Nice. There we go. Yes. Nice. Knew he was going to switch up to that smaller bait. Be easier for him to bite it down. Plus it's brighter, they can see it. Awesome. Haven't caught a bass in forever. Yes, nice. Oh, about to lose him. Oh my goodness, he just smeared up the GoPro probably. It's all good. All right, let's get this guy back in. Send him off. Noise. Going out right there. Chilling. Oh, there he goes. Noise. Ooh, one just hit it. Look at that. Nailed it. Nice. Wasn't expecting that. I saw it come around the corner like that. All right. One on the spook. All right. Of course, that was the one around the corner. I've been trying to get these like 5 up here, but that'll do. Noise. All right, let's get this guy off. See if we can get the other ones. Noise. All right, there's the first one. All right, got this little grasshopper I'm gonna put on. All right, let's try this little popper out. I don't think I've ever tried it. All right. Can't cast it very far though. There's one right here, a smaller one, right in the middle. Oh yeah, he's going after it. Got it. Nice. First one with the popper. Awesome. Get him over here so I can get a look at him. Awesome. Yeah, he's not going nowhere. Got it all over his nose. Awesome. That's probably the smallest one in there. Look at his tail. Tell me that is not a messed up tail. That is one of the weirdest bass I've seen. It has like a bulge in his tail. That is a weird looking bass. Poor guy. All right. Let's get this guy off. Oh my gosh. He has such a weird tail. That was crazy. Well, this popper paid off. I figured it would. There's this bright neon green colors coming off that dark muddy water. All right, dude. Hopefully you survive. So I'm done in this spot for now. I think I might have scared them off by catching that one, or they're just not interested in the popper because I don't see really the bass anymore. So let's go explore Turkey Creek up here a little bit, see what we got up here. This is all the farther I got down yesterday evening, so look at all this clay structure. This makes me excited when I see this clay structure and all this clear water and all the clay formations. Get some underwater shots. Oh yeah, it looks so cool. All those branches, all this coming down like that. Yeah, this is awesome. Check that out. Get a picture of this hole right here. I only see a couple of those little bass. A lot of waterfalls. That's why this water's clear. Running through all this clay and rocks. Clear water. All right, check this out. Oh, this looks like the other creek I'm used to. All right. All right, this section looks big. So big I might not be able to get around. Ooh, this looks really good. Might have to go up and around. Whoa. All right, well, I got up above. Check this out. That is freaking cool. I don't see anything from up here. Any bass sitting up shallow. I see a bunch of bluegill. Ooh, the little bass had it in his mouth. Got him. Got one. There we go. That's what I was looking for. There's a bunch of these in there. There's a little bluegill. What's up, little guy? Okay, dude, chill. Let me get you off. I got you. Nice. Check them out. Beautiful colors. There's probably about thousands in there. In that little school right there. Bunch of little bass and a bunch of these. All right, buddy. Get you in there. Ooh. I want to see if I can get it, one of those bass or another one of those big bluegill. All right, so I made it down pretty much as far as I can get down Turkey Creek. I'm actually going to try the other side of Turkey Creek, but it's more of a bayou on the other side of, towards I-10, it's more of a bayou style type of creek. So not like this, not clean water like this. I might actually film a little bit of the trails over on the other side of Buffalo Bayou. They made some like mountain bike type trails. I've only been on it twice, so it's pretty cool. So I might film that too. So all right, let's go on the other side of that bridge and see if we can get anything before we go. All right, so these are the trails. I've never been on this side, so let's go. Oh, this is sick.